What's up, guys? Today we're diving into the world of IP tracking, how hackers can find out shocking details about you with just your IP address. I'll show you the top 10 free hacker tools that can reveal your location, internet provider, and more. Tools that are updated for 2026. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Don't use this info for anything illegal. The goal is to help you understand the risks and protect your digital privacy. I spent a week testing these tools, and the results are honestly terrifying. Buckle up. Let's pull back the curtain on how easy it is to track someone online. First up is IP Logger, a classic hacker tool that's been around for years, quietly evolving as the internet grows more complex and interconnected. This tool is deceptively simple, but incredibly powerful. It turns any ordinary link into a sophisticated tracking device, capable of gathering information in seconds. Here's how it works. Just paste a regular URL into IP Logger, and instantly, it generates a new, shortened link that looks harmless to anyone who sees it. When someone clicks on this disguised link, they're seamlessly redirected to the original content, completely unaware that their IP address, browser details, and even their approximate location are being captured in the background. Hackers can spread these links anywhere: private DMs, public forums, emails, or even social media posts, making it easy to collect thousands of unsuspecting victims' IPs in just a few hours. All the captured information is neatly organized in the hacker's dashboard, ready for further exploitation. The victim never suspects a thing, because the process is completely invisible. What makes IP Logger even more dangerous is that it's totally free to use, requires zero technical skill, and is often the very first step in building a detailed digital profile of a target. The scary part: anyone can use it. Teenagers, scammers, or even someone with a grudge. All it takes is curiosity and a few clicks. Hackers love IP Logger because it's low risk, high reward. There's no need for advanced coding or hacking skills, just a bit of social engineering and patience, and the data starts rolling in. So next time you see a random shortened link, whether it's in your inbox, a chat, or a comment section, think twice before clicking. That tiny URL could be hiding a big risk. That innocent-looking link could be the start of someone tracking your every move online, collecting your data without you ever knowing. And believe it or not, this is just the beginning. The world of digital tracking tools only gets more advanced from here. Ready to see something even sneakier, even more sophisticated? The next tool takes things to a whole new level. Let's check out the next tool and see just how deep the rabbit hole goes. Meet Grabify, the master of disguise in IP tracking. This tool is a favorite among hackers and digital tricksters for a reason. It's incredibly effective at hiding its true purpose while gathering sensitive information from unsuspecting users. Unlike basic IP loggers, Grabify takes things to the next level. It lets hackers create custom links that look totally legit. Think an irresistible Amazon deal, a trending news article, or even a fake event invitation. These links are designed to blend in perfectly with everyday internet content. The hacker can tweak the domain and the path, making the link almost impossible to spot as a tracker. With just a few clicks, they can disguise the link so well that even a cautious user might not notice anything suspicious. When the target clicks, they're seamlessly redirected to the real site they expected to visit. But behind the scenes, Grabify secretly collects their IP address, device details, browser type, and even tries to detect if a VPN or proxy is being used, all without the victim's knowledge. The dashboard then gives hackers a detailed breakdown: location, device, operating system, and more. It even shows a map with the approximate location of the victim, making it easy to visualize where the click came from. This tool is perfect for targeted attacks. Hackers can craft links tailored to specific people, interests, or even current events, making their bait even more convincing and increasing the chances of a successful click. The custom domains make these links super convincing, blending in with real messages and posts. It's easy to see why so many people fall for them. Sometimes all it takes is a moment of curiosity or trust. It's all about stealth. Most victims never realize they've been tracked, and the process is so smooth that there's rarely any sign anything happened at all. And yes, it's free and incredibly easy to use. Anyone with basic internet skills can set up a Grabify link in minutes, making it accessible to both amateurs and seasoned hackers. Grabify shows just how vulnerable we are to clever social engineering. With a little creativity, attackers can gather a surprising amount of information with almost no effort. So, if you trust a link just because it looks familiar, think again. Even the most convincing links can be traps set by someone looking to track your every move online. Let's see how hackers can turn these IP addresses into real-world locations, connecting the dots between your online activity and your physical whereabouts. On to the next tool, where the hunt for information continues. Now that a hacker has your IP, they need to decode it. Enter ipinfo.io, the digital detective's magnifying glass. Paste in an IP, and ipinfo.io reveals the country, city, postal code, latitude, longitude, and even the ISP. It can pinpoint your location on a map and show if you're using a VPN or proxy. If the IP belongs to a business or school, it often reveals the organization's name, giving hackers clues about where you work or study. It even shows the network type: residential, business, or mobile. All this from a single, free search. Hackers use this info to build a detailed profile and plan their next move. Knowing your city and ISP helps them target you more precisely. ipinfo.io turns a string of numbers into actionable intelligence. It's a massive leap from just having an IP address, and it's all available to anyone, instantly. Let's see how hackers double-check this info for accuracy. Next up, a classic tool. Whatismyip.com is the old-school favorite for quick IP lookups. Hackers use it to confirm details from other tools, like city, ISP, and organization. Just paste in an IP and you get a clean, instant report with geolocation and an interactive map. It's perfect for sifting through lots of IPs fast, helping hackers spot interesting targets. The site also checks if an IP is on spam or blacklist databases, revealing more about the target's online behavior. Simple, fast, and reliable. No technical jargon, just the facts. It's a staple for hackers and regular users alike. With a few clicks, you can learn a surprising amount about someone. Now let's see how hackers visualize this data on a map. The next tool is all about geolocation. Ready to see your digital footprint on the world map? Let's go. GeoIP tool specializes in one thing: showing exactly where an IP address is on a map. Enter an IP, and the map zooms in from the world to the city, pinpointing the approximate location. It lists country, region, city, postal code, latitude, longitude, and even the time zone. Hackers use this to visualize your real-world location and environment. The map's satellite view lets them see nearby landmarks and get context. If your IP says you're in Florida, but you claim LA, hackers know something's off. Maybe you're using a VPN. GeoIP tool is also great for tracking movement. As your IP changes, hackers can map your travel patterns. Its simplicity and focus make it a favorite for quick visual confirmation. Seeing your location on a map makes the threat feel real. And it's all just a click away. But what if hackers want everything in one place? Let's check out the ultimate dashboard. IP Tracker Online is the hacker's all-in-one dashboard. Enter an IP and you get a map, geolocation, ISP, organization, hostname, time zone, and more, all in one clean report. It even shows the local currency and language, helping hackers craft convincing phishing messages. The interface is user-friendly, with icons, flags, and color coding for quick scanning. Hackers use this as a central hub. Grab an IP, plug it in, and get a full profile in seconds. No need to juggle multiple tabs. Everything's here. It streamlines the process, especially when tracking multiple targets. The extra details help hackers tailor their attacks to the target's culture and habits. It's a pro-level tool, but free and accessible to anyone. With all this info, hackers are just one step away from pinpointing your exact network path. Ready for the final, most technical tool? Let's dive in. The last tool in our arsenal is TracerRoute, a command-line powerhouse that lets you map the exact path your data takes as it travels across the vast expanse of the internet. It's a favorite among network professionals and hackers alike, because it reveals the hidden highways your information uses to reach its destination. When you run a TracerRoute to a specific IP address or website, you're not just sending a simple request. You're actually uncovering every single router and server your data passes through, hop by hop, from your device all the way to the target. Each step is like a checkpoint on a digital road trip. Each hop in the TracerRoute output reveals an IP address and often a geographic location. allowing anyone to trace the physical journey of your data as it bounces across cities, countries, and even continents. This information can be surprisingly detailed. The final few hops almost always belong to the target's internet service provider, and these can often pinpoint the target's city, or sometimes even their specific neighborhood, narrowing down their location with impressive accuracy. Sometimes, the names of the routers themselves give away exact locations, using airport codes, city abbreviations, or even street names. This can make it even easier to figure out where the data is ending up. Traceroute doesn't work alone. It's often used alongside other IP location tools to confirm and refine the information they provide, boosting the overall accuracy of your findings and helping to eliminate false leads. But Traceroute does more than just reveal locations. It also exposes the structure of the target's network, showing how routers and servers are connected. This can help identify weak points or vulnerabilities that might be exploited. The best part? Traceroute is built into every major operating system: Windows, Mac, and Linux, so it's accessible to anyone with even basic tech skills. No special software or advanced knowledge required. In essence, Traceroute transforms the invisible, abstract world of the internet into a visible, traceable map. It lets you see the actual route your data takes, turning digital mysteries into clear, visual paths. For anyone trying to confirm a target's location, Traceroute is the ultimate tool. It provides the final piece of the puzzle, dropping a digital pin right where the data ends up. Now you can see how hackers and investigators alike can follow your digital trail, sometimes tracing it all the way to your very doorstep, revealing more than you might expect. So, how do you protect yourself from being mapped and traced online? Let's look at some essential steps to keep your digital journey private and secure. And that's how hackers can track you with just your IP address, using free tools anyone can access. We went from simple tracking links to full-blown digital profiles and network maps. The lesson? Be skeptical of strange links, use a reputable VPN, and think before you share online. Your privacy is in your hands. Stay proactive and stay safe. If you found this eye-opening, hit like and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments which tool shocked you most, or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.